Meet Mr. Ryan, an iPhone user. Few days ago, his favorite device suddenly slipped down from his hand and the screen got damaged. He became sad and looking for the best way to quick fix his broken iPhone. Meanwhile, one of his friends suggested him to contact the expert technicians of iTech Xpress. Searching over the internet to know about them, he got to know that it is an authorized Apple product repair service store near him in Glendora. Their highly skilled and experienced technicians offer factory-grade service to solve all your iPhone issues efficiently. They have a great stock of genuine spare parts to make the screen repairing process faster. They are famous for offering guaranteed iPhone repair service at affordable prices compared to any other local repair shops. So, without hesitating further, he contacted them and got his device repaired back in proper working condition within the same day. Are you looking for the same? Then schedule an appointment with their expert technicians by dialing 626-777-4747. For more further details, you can visit https://ichexpressinc.com/.